Our sincere tribute and honor to Shri Bijay Kumar Samal, Scientist F, Senior Director IT, on the eve of his superannuation. Sir, starting your early education at Baldev Ju Nodal ME School in Omar, Mahanga, Cuttack, you completed your matriculation at Jhadaswarpur High School in 1982. You then pursued your intermediate and graduation at Salapur College, completing in 1984 and 1986 respectively. Afterward, you earned the MSc degree in Mathematics from Utkal University and PGDCA from OUAT in 1989. You completed your MCA from North Odisha University while in service. You started your career in government service by joining NIC at headquarters, New Delhi on 29 December 1989. You were posted in the DISNIC group, where you got an opportunity to work with respected figures like Dr. M. Moni and Shri IPS Sethi, both former DGs. Their leadership provided you with a strong foundation in project management and strategic thinking. During this period, you contributed to the development of many DISNIC projects in sectors like education, agriculture, and fisheries. Your involvement in DISNIC Plan and working on sectoral databases must have been an exciting challenge, especially as you incorporated new fields to handle sector-specific data. After working for 3 years at NIC headquarters, you were transferred to the State Centre at Bhubaneswar on 24 September 1992 with the responsibility of implementing the DISNIC Plan project in Odisha. You spearheaded the successful implementation of the project across all the districts. The appreciation from district collectors and departmental secretaries speaks volumes about effectiveness of your contribution. Transitioning to GIS was a significant step forward as it opened the door to more spatially enabled solutions. One of the notable achievements in the early 90s was the development and implementation of Block GIS for the Chhatrapur block in Ganjam district. You utilized the in-house GIS product, GISNIC, which must have provided valuable hands-on experience in spatial data collection, processing, and analysis. Capturing and attributing over 48,000 village locations from topo sheets was a huge task, reflecting the scale of the GIS work you were handling. Developing and implementing village GIS for 9 districts, especially with more than 50 layers of data, is no small feat. It's clear that your work made a significant impact, particularly in the way it integrated GIS technology and made it accessible through an open source platform. The recognition from the Remote Sensing and GIS Division of NIC New Delhi highlights the quality and importance of the work you did. Setting up a center of excellence with all the necessary hardware and software tools, including ArcGIS and a rack server at Odisha State Centre, bears testimony of your ability to develop and create infrastructure to support long-term sustainability of the system. Creation of 23 layers from high-resolution satellite imagery and porting them into National Geo platform like Bharat Map is your notable contribution to the GIS field. You have contributed to the development and implementation of web-based GIS projects for the state, covering a wide range of sectors like lift irrigation OLIC, education digital gender atlas and disaster management OSTMA. These projects are fundamental in improving decision-making, resource management, and disaster response in Odisha. Your development of key geoportals is another standout achievement. The Odisha Geoportal would be a central hub For geospatial data related to the state, district geoportals would have enabled more localized access to geospatial data, empowering district authorities and citizens. You showed commitment to empowering others by organizing workshops at both the state and regional levels to realize full potential of the software. Your roles in different committees highlight your leadership skills and commitment to organizational development. Your contribution as the chairman of the Security Committee and the Local Purchase Committee (LPC) and as a member of the Infrastructure Committee shows your involvement in making sure that resources were procured efficiently and cost-effectively. Sir, as a God-loving person, you have performed your official duty with due dignity and diligence in serving the nation. Your pleasing personality, genuine, caring and loving attitude will always be treasured and cherished by the NIC UNS of Odisha. With our sincere and hearty wishes of gratitude, wish you a peaceful, blissful and healthy life. With our love and prayers, National Informatics Center, Odisha.